wọ́n ní àparò aṣọ ẹ̀ ṣe pọ́n báyìí ó ní ìgbà wo láṣọ òun ò ní pọ́n kóun tó kọgbà láàárọ̀ kóun tó wọ ilẹ̀ kùràkùrà láfẹ̀mọ́jú ìgbà wo lòun ó ráyè fọṣọ òun. People asked the partridge, "Why is your clothing so dirty?" He responded, "Why would my clothing not be dirty? Given the times it take me to make 100 heaps in the morning and the time I need to scratch the ground at dawn, what time is left for me to wash my clothes?" Meaning, the swiftness can always find excuses to explain their predicament. So yeah, a kì í fi ojú olójú ṣòwò kájèrè. One never trades with other people's eyes and profits. Meaning, there is nothing like attending oneself to one's own business. So yeah. Ìyàn dára ọbẹ̀ dùn ló pa Akíndélé lóko gbàjọ. Òrìṣà n ò fún ọ ní èdì jẹ ló pa abọ̀rìṣà Kírè. The pounded yam is good and the stew is delicious. Killed Akíndélé on his farm at Ìgbàjọ. God, I will not give you spell to eat is what killed the priest at Ìkirè. Meaning, closed-fistedness and stinginess brings people nothing but misfortune. So yeah. A kì í bọ òrìṣà lójú ọ̀fọ́n bó bá dalẹ̀ a máa tú pẹpẹ. One does not sacrifice to God in the presence of a house rat. Otherwise, when night falls, it invades the rafter cells. Meaning, do not do things that might constitute temptation to others. So yeah. Ṣìkàṣìkà gbàgbé àjọbí, adánilóró gbàgbé ọ̀la. The wicked forget kinship. The person who hurts others forgets tomorrow. Meaning, people who inflict injury on others forget that the God of kinship will inflict punishment on them and they might be at the receiving end in the future. So yeah.